In semiconductor capital equipment, innovation is the expectation to improve performance, quality, yield, and reliability. In order to innovate, you need an additive manufacturing partner that's equally committed to breaking through. We're 3D Systems, the market leader in additive manufacturing. We empower you to defy limitations through comprehensive solutions unmatched in the industry, including consulting, design, materials innovations, advanced metal additive manufacturing, and technology transfer. We help clients improve critical components and subsystems by enhancing thermal management, optimizing fluid flow, lightweighting, and consolidating parts, all resulting in higher precision, faster throughput, and better quality capital equipment. It's all part of the design freedom and accuracy of our advanced metal AM technology. And it continues with logistics and business benefits like reduced time to market, minimized supply chain disruptions, and greater ROI on metal additive manufacturing capabilities. We are 3D Systems, providing advanced metal additive manufacturing solutions, consulting, and technology transfer for the semiconductor industry. A commitment to innovation, empowering yours.